Good morning, everybody. We are in Gjirokastër, Albania today. We arrived last night. We're in the southern part of Albania. We first entered Albania in the northern part, and to be very honest, when we got to that part of Albania, Trent and I were not impressed. But we took a bus to the capital, Tirana, and picked up a rent car. And as we got further south, our opinion changed. It is beautiful down here in the southern part of Albania. We're not very far from the border with Greece. But the name of the town is Gjirokastër, and it is called the Stone City because they have so much stone down here in the mountains that a lot of the buildings are made of stone. And the hotel we're in is just a gorgeous hotel. 2 years ago, the owner bought this property. It was really not much left but the stone walls, and he totally remodeled it, renovated it actually. And I'm going to walk up to the top of the hotel here and let you see the way up. It's a really cool hotel, and then I'm going to show you our room. Here we go. A lot of steps to walk. You can see the beautiful valley down there. A lot of the produce they use here in the hotel comes from that valley. And we're still going up. Now, we did not carry our luggage up here. They met us at the bottom and they whisked our car away to park it and carried our luggage up here. And this is the terrace that we ate from this morning. Just a gorgeous view. Little house there with a stone roof. So we're now about to go on a hike. And we're going to tell you about that in just a moment.
All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool.